Hey vlog, my mom and I are headed to dance rehearsal. Last dance rehearsal before she leaves, and also last dance rehearsal before we go find my dancers. So, yay! Dances are done. We ran through the full routine like 3 times nonstop, so we're good to go now. We gotta go find backup dancers, and then so plan for the rest of the day, watch movies, and then hang out. And my mom leaves tomorrow morning, so I have to take her to the airport in the morning, but then I'll be back. Good morning vlog. So this will be another packing video. I'm going home for Christmas, yay! I am super excited, very tired. So I pulled my suitcase out. We're about to pull clothes and start packing my bag. Let's go. Hey y'all, so I've already pulled some clothes out already. As you can see, I'm just kind of now pulling all of like the matching outfits that I want to bring and stuff like that, so then we have stuff all the time. Oh, don't look at my board, all the secrets. Okay, so I'm gonna go pack my suitcase really quick with all this stuff, and then I'll be back when we have to do my makeup and everything. Bag 1 is packed. That's all of my clothes. I left my Louis Vuitton red bottoms out and those white shoes out. Now let's get on to the backpack. Now to pack the jewelry. There's my 2 bags. We're all packed and ready to go for tomorrow. Tomorrow is travel day. I will see you bright and early at 4:30 in the morning. And it's currently like 10 or something. So good night. Don't want to get caught on your phone, huh?
Says the one on the phone.
Look who came and got me, and I went to the doctor's, and now we're getting a snacky snack. Can you say hi, please?
Hi.
We're trying to get my $3 refund.
We had one giant Nicole.